Subscribe to my channel Distraction Roots and be a part of the Distraction Roots family. And also, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Hey guys, who would not love to stay in between nature or in between coffee plantation? I am in one of such a places where you can stay in between the coffee plantation. Yes, right now I am here at the Evergreen County Coorg. We came here yesterday. As you all know that we continued the DRCB ride and reached here at the Evergreen County Coorg, and we stayed overnight, and the night stay was absolutely fantastic. This is the next day early morning, and this is the site from here. So I will take you around the resort and show you guys how it is. This is the entrance of it, and it's a beautiful stay. It's a small pony. I think it's a small one, and this is the reception area where our bags were kept and was sanitized. And you have a small shop here, the county game zone. You have some birds here on the left side. And this place is absolutely beautiful and it's insane, and it was not that cold yesterday, but it is pretty cold. It is cold when compared to other places, and you have all these activities like zip line and all those stuffs. The best part that I liked here were the rooms. The rooms were fantastic, and our rooms are to the right, but I will just go to the left and walk around and show you what is here. You have these tent stays. If you want to stay in the tents also, you have all these tents here, and this is the whole setup of the resort. This resort is like a 3-acre property, and the resort and the adventure activities, and after that they have their estates, the coffee estate. This one is in the middle of a coffee estate, and this is the place where they make barbecues and all that stuff. Yesterday night I had reached here, like I'd come here along with Mithun here, and standing here I looked up and I could see beautiful stars here. It was completely pitch black dark here, and it was absolutely beautiful up there in the sky. This is the restaurant here. So yes, here is the whole DRCB gang that I came along with. Hi guys. Hi. This is my first ride with the DRCB gang, and all of them are here. This is Venki, this is Dinesh, Ravi, Rafiq Bhai, Madhu, Irfan, and Dinesh, and who's that? Rajesh. All of them are here, and this is the restaurant here.
Not restaurant. Resto Cafe.
Resto Cafe. What's the name of it?
Secret Spices.
Secret Spices. It's the Secret Spices Resto Cafe, and the food here is also very nice. This is the food that was served here in the morning. We had bread and jam. There's some bananas. We had some good idli out here, and the poha was really amazing. I just loved the poha. I had it twice. The poha here, it was really nice, and along with chutney and sambar. The food was really nice, and this is the restaurant that I showed earlier, the Secret Spices Resto Cafe, the flavors of Coorg. And here is Dinesh Bhai along with me. He's also got a YouTube channel.
Hey, hi.
His channel's name is Explorer Dinesh.
Yeah. Please subscribe to his channel as well. He's doing good.
Thank you. So hope, and he's taken some drone shots also. So I think I'll be able to get that also, and I will be able to show you guys how this place is. And here is and here is Ravi Bhai, who's come helping me out. This is the first time somebody is holding a camera for me, and thank you Ravi Bhai, and all these people are supporting me.
Always supporting.
Thank you so much. And this is Ravi Bhai here. Maybe I will go out and
Hi everyone, support his channel. He's a new vlogger. I hope he gets a lot of subscribers in future as well.
thank you.
All the best, guys.
So we'll go to the rooms and show you guys how the rooms are. This is the play area. Yesterday we had a bonfire here, a campfire, and if you want to stay in tents, this is the tents area. Yesterday's stay was really amazing. That's our cottage there. that we stayed, and these are the tents. If you want to opt for tent, you can go in for the tent. And let me check where I can open it. Yeah, here is the place to open it. And wow, this is nice. There's a place for 2 of them. Let me just enter in and see how it is. Yes, there is a lot of space for 2 of them. 2 can sleep good. If you have a very good blanket, you can sleep in. And you have these pouches kind of stuff, and you can keep your luggage also in here. And there's a torch or a light there. Okay, you have like 5 tent stays. These are the small ones, and I saw a few bigger ones out there. So this is a pathway towards the cottage. That's where we are staying. And this place at night, when it was lit up, was really nice and it looked fantastic. And look at the way it has been done, all the cottages. It's really nice. I will show you the best part that I loved. So this is the room. The name of this is Red Rose. This is one of our rooms, and this is another one that we are staying. This is Red Rose, and as you enter, this is the setup here. You have a small lampshade in the form of the kerosene lamps, and as we enter here, we have this big bed here. This is a big bed, and look at, these are all our luggages. 5 of us are staying in this room, and here one person slept, and easily 3 or 4 people can sleep on this bed, and it's really nice. And the setup is completely made of wood. You can see here it's completely made of wood, and as I told earlier, least amount of concrete and cement is used. It's just like the nature friendly properties. And this is the washroom. Let me switch on the light. This is the bathroom. You have geysers for hot water, and it's a decent bathroom, more than enough. And there's a hand wash here, and then the commode there, and it's a decent one. It's a decent one for this kind of a setup. It's really nice. And now something that I love in these rooms, I will show you guys. Yes, it is this balcony, and I'm going up right now. It's pretty steep. Oops. It is pretty steep, and I'm going up. And as I told, the ceilings are made of wood. You can see here. Now I'm on the first floor. So now the ceilings or the flooring is made of wood, and it was really nice. This is where we slept yesterday, and it was too much fun. And there's a small window kind of thing here. You can look into this and have a good view of the other cottage. And the best part is this balcony. I just love this place. At the night time, the view from here was wonderful and was fantastic. This is the balcony here, and look at the roofs of all the cottages. It's done wonderfully, and everything is nice. So this is the cottage, the Red Rose. I will go and I will show you guys the other cottage. I also didn't enter the cottage there, but I will enter and I will show you guys how the cottage is. So this is the Red Rose that I just showed you guys right now, and this is the other cottage, the green one that we are staying. Maybe this is a green rose. And this is the cottage, and this one is way far bigger than the other one. All the beds are here also. I think 5 of them slept here. And these are also made of wood. Only the lower part is made of bricks, I believe. The bricks, and then it is made up of complete wood on top and all that. And this bathroom is way far better than the one in the other room. But it's really nice. They've got a shower and all that stuff, and there's a heater here. And the best thing I like about this room also is the balcony. Let me go up and check what is there. And oops, it's pretty steep, and with one hand held to the camera, it's difficult for me to climb up. Good, I didn't slip down. You see, I told you can sleep like 20 to 30 people in one camp. There is so much space here. There is so much space, and it is fantastic here. And these are made of coconut leaves and all that stuff. And these are branches of trees cut out. And this is the balcony you have here. This is the view from here. So yes, I am sitting here relaxing in the balcony of the resort or the cottage, and this place is fantastic. You can hear all the birds chirping, and you can see fog early in the morning. Today there was not much of a fog, and if this place is raining, it would be mind-blowing, absolutely fantastic. And over there is the coffee plantations. I am thinking to take a walk over there, and I will be going up there for a walk, and let's see how it turns out. And that's it from the cottages. There are a few more many cottages, but most of them I believe are the same way as this is. So I will go down, join with the other people there, and carry on with the other adventure activities. We had a good game of badminton and cricket here. This is where we played right now, and next to that we have this bigger tents. I showed you the smaller tents earlier. These are the bigger tents. I think around 4 or 5 people can accommodate inside this. So me and Mithun bhai, we just thought we will start walking through the coffee plantations. So we are going into the coffee plantations. You can see these coffee beans here, lots of them. They will be harvested. I think these are also coffee beans. Yeah, these are coffee beans that they have collected. All these coffee beans you see here, all are beautiful. These are coffee flowers, bean flowers, and these turn into the beans. So we'll have a walk through the coffee plantation. If it is raining or if there is fog or mist, it would be very beautiful walking through these places. But we are just walking now. It's midday and it's kind of cloudy, and it looks nice also. It's just like a trek. So we will walk through these coffee plantations. Night, aim through this V, tip and balloon.
Put on your harness first and walk slowly forward. Go. Come forward. Come forward. Okay. So hold these 2 ropes if you want. If you want to leave your hand, just leave your hand. No problem. And go.
We are at the Green County Resort night walk, and we are walking at night through the coffee plantations. This is such a nice experience. It's utter pitch black everywhere, and all 10 of us are here. All 10 of us here, and this is amazing. So finally at night time we are here, and we are at the campfire. All are here, all of us are joining.
This is called campfire.
Ravi bhai is explaining. Yes, Ravi bhai, come on.
Fire as well.
There is some fire, there is some wood, and there is some people around.
Yeah, it's burning very
Highly flammable.
You get comments. Don't even know how to speak English.
Explain. Someone scares Ravi bhai there. It's just that. So it's wonderful here. We are in front of a cottage, and we have this campfire here. So these are the bigger tents that are available here. There's another one there. There's another one here. And I showed you earlier the smaller tents. So let me go in and show you how big it is. It can easily accommodate 4 to 5 people if you are having beds at the bottom. And these are beds for the couple. They have set it up for the couple. If you're a couple, they will set it up like that. You have a fan there and you have a charging port there. So even if you come in, you can keep your luggage and all that. It will be a wonderful place. And at night, you have a light up there in case you want the lights. So even if you're coming on couple or 4 or 5 people coming in, you can opt for these huts or the tents. So they will set it up like that depending on your requirement, and it will be a beautiful stay. And these you can see are the netted ones. So in case there are mosquitoes or anything, you can just only put the netted ones, and so that you will not have any disturbance from the insects, but you will be have a good view of the nature. So that's our cottage there, and coming this side we have this other cottages here. This is a place for hot water, I believe. Yeah, this is the place for herbal bath. You can see here, this is the place for herbal bath. This is another cottage. We have lots of hens and cocks here. This is another cottage. I don't find any name for this. And there's another one. All these are of same kind. This is named Blue Bubbles. It's nice. They have a sit out also, and this is really fantastic. We don't have that there, a closed sit out. It's just an open one. This is also nice, and there's a cycle painted like this. So this is amidst the greenery, and you have completely trees. It would be amazing if it rained. And this is another cottage. We saw 2 cottages there. We have another one here. It's the orange olive, and there's another one here. I think guests are there, so I wouldn't go that way. And this is how the whole resort is wonderful. Now it's almost like 10 or 11 a.m. in the morning, and the sun has come up. Early morning with the sun down and cold, it was fantastic. So I have with me a family here, and you guys are from?
Mysore.
Mysore, okay. And you guys are from which profession and something like that? All of you are doctors. Hats off to you. And it has been a difficult time, I know, during this COVID, wearing those PPEs. So this is your first break after this COVID outbreak?
Yes, yes.
So why did you choose Evergreen County?
From the review, actually,
Yeah.
our colleague had been here
Okay.
for 15 days back.
Okay.
Like, she shared it was an awesome experience.
Okay.
So we wanted to experience it.
So how was your experience, everybody's experience here? How was it going on?
Totally enjoyed it.
Totally enjoyed it. It was a fantastic stay.
Yes.
So if you will refer other people, or you'll ask other people to come in.
100%.
We'll come back.
We are come back.
So what is the best part that you liked here, or what you enjoyed the most?
Group activity. Every activity.
Group activities.
Adventurous.
How was the night walk?
It was also
Night walk was good. And anything else you want to share or your experience?
Staffs are very good.
very good. Very
Okay.
cooperative. So their time management also is very good.
That's what I felt also. I felt really nice being here. And
Hospitality.
hospitality is good. So that is all about it. And thank you guys for sharing your experience. And Bhajan is here with me. He is the owner of this property, but he is a very humble person. Yes. So, and he was a techie in Bangalore, if I'm
Exactly. Yeah.
right.
Techie
Yeah,
as
he
in
was a
I
techie in
into,
Bangalore.
Yeah, Infosys. And
He was in Infosys, and then he left Infosys and then started up this.
No, while working in ANZ, along with that, I started.
You started parallelly,
As a
and
passion.
then you left over from Bangalore and you took it as full time.
Yes, exactly.
So what made you do this?
Yeah, I was a passionate traveler. I mean, in terms of explorer, doing
Okay.
lot of trekking, and I was very much liking outdoors.
Okay.
So that couldn't make me stay back in my work, and I had to take a complete break because this started booming.
Okay.
So I had to completely shift. So after 3 years, I took 3 years to judge whether I should be in that boat or this boat. So after 3 years, I jumped to this boat.
Okay.
So I'm here.
And so once as a guest is here, what are the facilities you provide, or what are the activities that are there, and what they can expect?
As I am a plant, I mean, my dad was a planter, so my experience was playing in the lake, getting into the nature, and going outdoors, trekking and all that. So I want my guests to experience the same thing. I will definitely not give any kind of luxury as such, but an experience of a planter. So basically, live like us. We are living here 365 days with rain, heavy rains, and all these the nice little creatures and snakes and whatever. It's a fun place. Okay, so we are being with the nature. So I want my guests to experience that one day at least, or 2 days, or 3 days with us to explore the concept. So that's how it is built.
Okay, it's a absolutely nice place, and thank you guys for sharing your experience. And Bhajan will take me around, and he will show me the bigger cottage, because when I came in there were guests there and I couldn't go to the big cottage. So now he will take us to the big cottage and we'll be able to see it.
Yeah, we'll go.
Okay, now we are going to the big cottages. This is like dormitory, is it?
Dormitory as in concept is to stay together. Suppose
Okay.
there is a family of all generations, like from a small child till the most eldest.
Okay.
So all 15, 20, 25 people can stay in this. So we get a lot of families like that.
Okay.
Okay, so
So even group tours, colleges coming from colleges, offices, they all prefer to stay
everybody
here.
who wants to stay together, and the cottage is not arranged. Okay.
Okay. And so how many people can stay?
Up to 20, 25, depending on the crowd.
And this is the place for the private campfire.
We can organize a bonfire.
Okay, so separately they have place for the bonfire.
Yeah.
And this is the big cottage.
Yeah.
Oh wow, this is big, huge.
Yes.
So many people can be accommodated.
Yes. Not only here, you have a.
Okay, there's another balcony, stairs up there.
Yeah.
So I personally believe around 25 to 30 people can be accommodated easily.
Yeah, easy, depending on the type of crowd.
Oh, this is huge also. This one is also huge here. And then you have a balcony here. The view from here should be nice. And how is it in the raining season here? I miss the rain. I expected rain here in Coorg, and I miss the rain.
Yeah, rain is really nice, but from back end it's challenging. But yeah, for the guest point of view, it's very nice.
Okay.
You should, if you're a rain lover, then yeah, good.
Okay. So what are the other activities that are there here? I went for the zip line, walk in the night, and some treasure hunt and some activities were there.
Yeah.
Any other activities you provide?
Actually, when it comes to activity, there are many activities which we can organize.
Okay.
Starting from team building, fun activities, adventure activities, trekking to different locations here, and all that. So indoor, outdoor games and all that. So basically, if you are here for 3, 4, 5 days also, we can make sure you are engaged in the activities.
Okay, and I saw an auditorium kind of stuff. That's for some functions or something that can be held also.
Yeah.
A stage over there.
So if
It's
there is
for
any
that.
corporates, they will have their own meetings and all that.
Okay.
And if it is a family, they organize their own dance and to just enjoy the
Okay.
events.
And if somebody wants to book your property, or where can they find it and how can they book it?
Yeah, evergreencounty.com website.
Okay.
Already the bookings come through website, and luckily our business comes through a reference only. A lot of people.
Okay.
Because today, if you see, most of them are reference only.
Okay.
The doctors whom we
Yeah.
spoke to, those are all reference. So back to back, it was referred by a different person. So I think this is the best way of marketing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about the subscribers of Distraction Roots coming here? Can they expect any discount or something like that?
Yeah, definitely. We can give discounts. But if you can suggest them to come on a weekday, we can
you
give
can give
better
more-
discounts
better discount.
and a better service as well.
Okay. So because less number of people will be there and you can handle them easily. And I personally liked the way you guys were handling. It was fantastic. It was really nice. And can you just tell me which location is this exactly in Coorg?
This is Virajpet.
Okay.
So we are very closest from Mysore or Bangalore. From
Uh-huh.
Mysore we are 95 kilometers.
Okay.
Bangalore we are 245 kilometers.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's close proximity to all. Kerala also is nearby.
Yeah, just other half an hour's drive we will be entering Kerala.
Okay.
And yeah, this is Virajpet, South Coorg.
Okay.
South Coorg.
So that's it, guys. From here, the Evergreen County, I had a great stay. My friends, they left because they were returning back to Bangalore, and we all had an absolutely fantastic stay here. So I would suggest you all to come over here and try this place out. It is fantastic.
But no luxury, just nature and adventure only, okay?
Yes, absolutely. You are in nature. You can see here, you are completely in between nature, and you can see all these structures. As I told earlier, there is least number of concrete used. So you're in between the nature and you can feel it. And early morning, you will wake up with all the birds chirping and all that. It's only nature you have here, no luxury. But yes, I found it luxury. Luxury is also, it's a
So-
mid-level, not very luxurious, but it is a mid-level. what you can expect is really nice. It's nice. for
Yeah,
a
so
resort.
what happened now, certain luxury has become the basic, right? So generally that's how it becomes. Now, yeah, we are giving certain things. We see washrooms and all, we can't compromise. We have to give the best of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, when it comes to this jacuzzi, AC, this swimming pool, yeah, we take them to a natural pond and all that. Yeah, so just we want to connect people to close to nature. That's
Okay.
all.
So that is all from here, and thanks for watching this video, and come over here, experience it yourself.